At 3, more and more businesses are attempting to transition their employees back into the office after working from home for months. As ABC Action News reporter Robert Boyd shows us, many of them are calling in consultants when it comes to safety proofing themselves from COVID.
You picture this smoke as a sneeze to really understand how the sneeze will move through the space.
Jonathan Moore of InVision Advisors says the first area he likes to focus on when it comes to protecting your office against COVID is airflow.
Knowing the number of people that air might pass by, the air is always moving and it's recirculating through the air conditioning.
Moore has visited about 20 offices in the past few months, consulting managers on the safest layout possible. Today, he is visiting the Hardin Insurance brokerage firm in Tampa.
When you look at the CDC guidelines, they talk about the hand sanitization, the 6-foot rules, but you really don't think about where the air is going if somebody sneezes or whatnot.
Moore says some solutions are as simple as moving around the desks or cubicles, while others involve taking apart the vents and redirecting airflow.
There's no common solution that works for everybody. It is case by case.
Businesses need to do a lot more than just put up signs, according to Moore.
Something as easy as pulling all the chairs out from the conference table immediately allows you to understand, well, I'm not going to fit 10 people in this room.
Spacing out where employees work and raising the height on cubicles is another suggestion. And Moore said giving employees the option to open up doors without using their hands is becoming a growing trend.
Just like hurricane preparedness, this is the new COVID preparedness plan.
We've almost taken our health for granted. We probably should have been doing this from the beginning.
In Tampa, Robert Boyd, ABC Action News.